Hello and welcome to a new video. This time, a solution to an exercise. I will link the exercise in the video description. So if you want to give this exercise a try in advance, please feel free to do so. But please pause this video at this point because the solution will be the next part. So here we are. I have a small problem because I'm not on the US number format. So for me, this could be like, writing equals to 1 to solve this challenge. So I will not do a solution run through for the first sub exercise. But please feel free to open the solutions worksheet I will also provide in the video description and take a look at the formula there. If you have any questions, you can also address them in the comment section. So yeah, because I'm on a different number format, this is my recurrency format, and therefore I cannot translate it with like a point as a comma delimiter and so on. So I will then step to the second exercise. Here we need to extract the names there. You could use here text before and text after, but we will do it the old way before this these formulas existed, but probably I will show you also the other way. So for the first name, I have some tips in the description there. We need to use right because we want to have the name here, and then we need something like len would hand out the whole all the number of letters here minus search and found the comma within this text will hand out 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So like here from left, from right, so on, the 7th or the 8th in this task char is this comma. So then you need to have -1 to have like these 6 characters because there's a space in between the surname and the first name. And then we use right, select this one, and we have the name as it should be. Here this is currently wrong because the surname is still missing, and this is left until you find the comma. Oh, sorry, I need to find the comma within this text. And -1 because we don't want to have the comma here. And you see everything is right. Now we should concat them appropriately with TEXTJOIN. The delimiter is a comma and a space. First the first name and then the surname without space. What did I do? Oh, I see. Oh, sorry. So like separately, or I will, yeah, this works also. And you see everything is done. And now we could do something like text after. So for the first name and text after would work here. Text as here selected after the comma and the space would also have the same result. And also text before, so like text before the comma would also have the same result. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.